What's up guys, I'm the Review Dude and I'm out at Sound Select Johannesburg, bringing you the most raw and unscripted reviews that you'll find on the internet. And today, we're gonna have a look at the JBL BRX300. Let's get into it. The JBL BRX300 series is a versatile line array built for bands, DJs, rental firms, houses of worship, and anyone who needs a compact, portable system that provides superior high output and consistent coverage in a range of sound reinforcement scenarios. Thanks to its plug-and-play simplicity, built-in corrective signal processing, smart transport system, and hassle-free rigging hardware, the BRX300 deploys in minutes, and you can enjoy optimal sound out the box. Systems are available in minimum 1 subwoofer 2 tops or 1 subwoofer 4 tops configurations, and can be stacked, pole mounted or hung to provide seamless coverage in a range of applications. The BRX300 line array elements provide ultra-wide 110-degree horizontal dispersion and 12-degree vertical dispersion. You don't need to sacrifice power for size. The BRX300 line array elements put out 136 dB SPL and offers 6 channels of built-in amplification, the highest channel count in its class. The BRX308 line array element scales JBL's legendary touring technologies to a compact double 8-inch loudspeaker, offering class-leading output and coverage. The BRX325 powered subwoofer extends low-frequency energy with dual 15-inch drivers, sophisticated DSP, and built-in 6-channel amplification for powering up to 4 BRX308 line array elements. With the BRX300 series, system deployment is fast and easy, without the hassle of amp racks, long cable runs, or crossover collaboration. However, there's only one true way to test the sound system.